Hey gang, Dave McKinnon here from Kenwood. Today we're going to talk about the top 5 reasons why you want to use direct replacement products to upgrade the radio in your car. Number 1, no giant plastic kits. One of the best things about direct replacement is that there's no giant plastic kits. We've teamed up with iDataLink and they've developed the Apex installation solution. It comes with premium metal brackets with threaded inserts, a wire harness, and everything your installer needs to install a direct replacement radio. Number 2, the only solution for certain vehicles. Direct replacement radios from Kenwood represent some of the only solutions for certain vehicle platforms. A good example are Nissan and Infiniti. There's also Chevrolet and GMC trucks with motorized screens. Number 3, factory fit, finish, and controls. Key feature of Kenwood direct replacement is factory fit and finish. Thanks to the Maestro RR interface, the factory HVAC controls work with the new radio. The new screen fits right in place of the factory screen, and in most cases, you can't tell that it was ever replaced until you turn the radio on, see all the new features, and hear the amazing sound quality. Number 4, premium sound quality. Kenwood's direct replacement radios are all premium models. We have KENWOOD and eXcelon reference units. They include features like high-res audio certification and toslink outputs for aftermarket digital signal processors. If you want your music to sound the best it can, start with KENWOOD radio. Number 5, high-definition screen quality. These days, high-resolution displays are all around us. Kenwood's direct replacement radios feature high-res displays, and our 10.1-inch screen is optically bonded to reduce glare. You can see navigation maps in perfect clarity. The backup camera looks amazing, and the radios are easy to use in all sorts of lighting conditions. So there you have it, 5 reasons why you want to take a close look at Kenwood direct replacement solutions to upgrade the sound system in your car or truck. For more information, you can visit kenwood.com or any of our authorized dealers across North America.